Welcome back in the next video. In this video, we will display images and browser. Okay, so I'm going to index.php and here create a simple function to show images. Okay, and here we will send the Ajax request. Okay, so showing a database images function show. Let's say you can assign any name. Okay, so here we will send the Ajax request and the type will be same, post URL will again ajax.php, get URL will be my pom, the value will be show, and we don't send data, just data. And I have class, so I have already defined the class show images. Okay, I was created this class before of this video. Okay, so here create this class show images. So I want to show this image here, show images.html, and also call this function here. When our browser is loaded, and then this function will be called automatically. Okay, so but still when our here, now remove this one. Friend, when our image is uploaded successfully to database and store in our images folder, then in this condition we will also display this function. Okay, to display the latest image on browser. Okay, done. Now I'm going to again to ajax.php function show again images global db app asset file, I think file name my pom. Show, because here is the get variable value is show here. Okay, show. So now here is also show. If the condition is match, then uh, execute the query db prepare select all from file order by id descending order, and now execute the query. Just execute the query. Okay, and now if query row count is equal to 0, if number of rows is equal to 0, then display error message, error, sorry, we don't have any image yet. And now go to else, remove one semicolon, and here we have while loop $r variable. Now query pitch data is a PDO, which is our object. While loop Okay, very simple. Now echo img src, so an images folder and this folder, and this images folder slash $r file name. Very simple. Okay, so now copy this one and call here again. So now let's get to check. Everything is fine, but image is not showing. So let's try, let's check echo sit. Whoa, variable is not set, variable not set. Here just check your this class name with this one. Okay, compare both. I think spelling mistake because now my image is now is showing. Okay, from database we have multiple images, which now I want to add here a class. Class img res res img res img res img res, so weight 20%, height pixel. Okay, so now let's border 3 pixel solid, sorry, offset box shadow 15 pixel, RGBA 0.5. let's go. Now margin top bottom 10 pixel, and left and right also 10 pixel. So let's go. Wow, border radius 6 pixel. Okay, I think remove border. I think, yeah, now it's okay. Okay, now I want to add another image. What happened? Yeah, yes, yes. And when we upload invalid image, then what happened? Invalid. We don't allow pptx. Okay, so now friends, our code is worked successfully, and our images is showing on browser successfully. And so thank you. And the next video we will delete images. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.